Hello, everyone. It is Saturday night with Wax Zone. We have a great lineup for everyone tonight. 6 breaks. That's right, 6 breaks. What up, Jeremy? What up, Michael? Tyler's in the house. First break is 2 boxes of UFC Panini Prizm. We all looking for that Hasbullah and some of those, Color Blast and all that cool stuff. So here we go. Break 558. Let's read some names here, everyone. John M. with Bantamweight, Tristan J. with Featherweight, Ryan M. with Flyweight, Zachary C. Heavyweight, Anthony G. Light Heavyweight, Zachary C. Lightweight, Zachary C. Middleweight, Michael S. Welterweight, Jeremy T. with Women's Bantamweight, Joshua W. with Women's Featherweight, Aaliyah with Women's Flyweight, and Andre P. with Women's Strawweight. All right, everyone. Look at that. I get it. Everybody in one shot. There you go. Good luck, good luck, to luck. 2 boxes, let's go. Started off right. I told Ark, I said, hey, make sure you got plenty of one touches tonight. I'm feeling it. Feeling one touch. It's going to be a one touch kind of night. And I'm talking about break-in, so don't get excited, Ark.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So sorry. All right, let's go. Let's have some fun. You see, so what is doing? Is that what you wanted to say?
Sometimes it takes a minute to follow it.
Oh, you just got it?
I thought I did, but
finally got it? Okay.
When it settles in, you're like...
The one touch, you're like, what does he mean by one touch? You know what I mean.
Holy Home Color. Home.
Holly Home. He's not, he say holy. Holly Home Color Blast. All right. I like the specificity. I also like saying the word specificity. That's how I know if I'm sober. You can't say that fucking word if you're not sober. Just saying. Cannot say that word if you're not sober. Oh. Yeah, somebody moved my garbage. It hit my damn thumb. It wasn't in the spot I was expecting. Well, much success. That's right, Tyler. If you haven't made your payments for the other breaks, please go and do so. You know who you are. Don't make me call out your name.
Still dry, Tyler. Still dry.
Still dry. We try to get a little moist, but didn't work out so well. All right, we're starting off with the hall monitor, Mark Coleman. All right, here we go. Let's see what we can get here. Our first rookie is Aaron Blanchfield. Pat Sabatini. Sabotage. Damon Jackson. Matthew Semmelsberger. Alex Pereira. A red. Chris Gutierrez. Bantam. Number 2, 199. 180 to 199. Chris Gutierrez. There you go, Bantam. John M.
These are nice, man.
They're nice. There's Magomed Ankalaev. That's a red wave, not numbered. Zion Williamson, Francis Ngannou, fearless.
No Boeing? Is it Boeing?
Yeah, no Boeing. Yeah, they're rigid.
Yeah.
Raul Rosas Jr. rookie. They are rigid and firm. Tony Gravely rookie. Randy Brown. You sick bastard, you. Dominic Cruz, Silver Prizm, Bantamweight.
Oh, they're good. They're in good shape.
There's a blue wave of Michelle Watterson for Strawweight. The waves are not numbered, apparently. Blue wave.
It's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while. Jonathan Pierce. And Matt Hughes, green Prizm for welterweight. Out of 49, 25 of 49. 25 of 49, Matt Hughes. There you go, nice green Prizm. Amanda Nunez, hyper.
That's a teal.
What is teal? This ain't teal. You said this is teal?
Yeah. That's what they're calling it.
Out of 49?
Yeah.
I guess I'm blind, bro.
Right,
Amanda Nunez all out. I guess I'm blind.
You see blue?
You don't? No, I see green. What do you see?
I mean,
Teal's a type of blue.
It's a mixture of green and
Yeah.
blue.
Well, you see green. I see green. You see blue. I guess.
Okay.
What? You don't see blue?
No.
I mean, you don't see green. I mean.
I see green.
Okay. Jack Della. That was Jack Della Donne. Jack Della Maddalena. Maddalena.
I just want to
Bo
make
Nickel.
Your eyes are okay.
It is what it is. Derek Lewis, red Prizm to 199. 190 to 199. Derek Lewis. How about a hyper of Jan Błachowicz? Pan Jan Błachowicz.
Is he Polish?
Hyper. No, I don't think so. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, German? No. Of course he's Polish. He actually has a W in it.
Oh, he does.
Yavid Basharat, rookie. Yeah, there's an actual L. They actually made that.
Oh,
They had to get a special keyboard for him. Chris Curtis, rookie.
Tyler.
Teal's a deep blue-green color. Named the coolest area of the eye commonly. Oh my God, this guy. Alatengeli. Alatengeli. A lot of something.
By the time he learns these, we're gonna be out
Silver
of these boxes.
Prizm rookie. Shut up. And we got Silver Prizm, Movsar Evloev, featherweight.
Any good? What's the
Tristan. Movsar Evloev. Well, that's just one auto. So, Fearless Daniel Cormier, rookie Tatsuro Taira. Oh, I missed a rookie here. Sorry. Martin Budai or Boudet. Joe Pfeiffer. A purple Prizm of Arnold Allen, featherweight. That is numbered to 149, 52 to 149. A Jelton Almeida. That's a hyper rookie for heavyweight. All right, second stack here. Starting off with a red wave of Patty. There's our Patty, a red Patty. Red wave. All out Corey Sandhagen. I'm putting him sideways again, aren't I? Sorry.
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing.
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah, you did. Brian Ortega, your body language. Silver Prizm, featherweight. Brian Ortega. Rafael Dos Anjos. Blue wave. I'm going to say this is blue.
Yeah, it is.
Fucker. Now all of a sudden I'm color challenged. John Castaneda.
Patty got diabetes? What?
What?
What you talking about, Tyler? You spreading rumors again?
Then he needs to get some Ozempic. Could be the new Ozempic sponsor. Drakkar, close. I remember, didn't you used to wear Drakkar in school? Wasn't that your favorite, why are you laughing? Because it's true.
Because listen, like, what's the...
You wore Drakkar, don't lie.
I've never wore...
Blue Prizm, rookie. You wore Fahrenheit and Drakkar, 126 to 175, and probably CK1.
That's what they sold in the bathrooms at the club.
Yeah, Drakkar and Fahrenheit. Tony Gravely, red wave rookie.
Like, I don't have it.
The fact that you started laughing because I know you know.
I know that.
Drakkar Noir. He came out there on the dance floor thing and he's shit. TJ Dillashaw. All out. Pretending like you don't know. Azamat Murzakanov.
You're like, sir, I don't have $1 to give you.
I know. I listed my... Wait, what? I listed my Messi? Why did you list it?
Why would you sell that, man?
Lucas Almeida, rookie.
Oh, Lord.
Hey, we got a Hasbulla Magomadev. Hasbulla playing Whisper. The phone game. There's Hasbulla. I better not hate on him because of Euros Medic. Medic. Renat Fakretetidinov. Justin Gaethje. Silver Prizm. And we have a Chuck Liddell. Nice. Chuck Liddell auto. Light heavyweight. Anthony G. Nice little old school Chuck Liddell auto. That's good. Genshi. Geese. Charles Olivier. Fearless. Chuck Liddell. One of the OGs. Michael Morales, rookie. Kyler Phillips rookie. Silver Prizm of Abubakar Nurmagomedov. Colby Covington Red Wave. All Out Silver of Magomed Ankalaev. And David Dvorak. A Mark Madsen rookie. Cody Durden. Piera Rodriguez rookie blue. 17 of 175. Hyper of Ketlin Vera. Karine Silva, rookie. Nasruddin Imavov, rookie. And a Brock Lesnar Silver Prizm, heavyweight. All right, interesting. Got a Chucky Liddell. Good old Chuck Liddell, old school. All right, second box. Let's go. Come on. 2, 4, 6.
Thank you all for buying in.
Yeah, appreciate you guys.
We'll have more of this next week as well. So I know a lot of other breakers on eBay do it by fighter. We tend to do it by weight class. We find it easier for us.
And really, it's all about us. You said it. It's just easier for us.
I mean, from a listing standpoint.
My guy over here, you know, he can't see color, so let's just make it easy on him. First, I thought we were gonna weigh the cards to see like which cards weigh, you know, more.
What?
When he said we're gonna do it by weight, I was like, these cards are gonna weigh differently. I was like, all right. How many payments we? Oh, still missing some payments. Let's go.
Couple. All over. Pay your bills.
Pay your bill. Pay your fare. Comb your hair. That's from a movie.
Is it?
Yeah. More money, more money. Uros Medic. Rinat Fakreti Dininov. Jack Della Maddalena. Matt Hughes, Silver Prizm for welterweight. Amanda Lemus, rookie auto for strawweight. There you go, Andre.
Silver.
Nice Silver Prizm rookie on Amanda. There you go, congrats. All Out, Khabib. John Castaneda, rookie. Bo Nickel. And we have an orange of Jordan Levitt. Leave it to Beaver. Levitt. Lightweight to 99. 69 of 99. Jordan Levitt. We have a hyper rookie of Piera Rodriguez. Fearless of Zhang Weili. Rookie Azamat Murzakanov. Lucas Almeida rookie. They're sliding. It's not me doing it.
I know.
Uh-huh. Jose Nunez. Take it easy over there. Michelle Watterson, Silver Prizm. A red wave of Juliana Pena. Silver Fearless of John Jones. Good old John Jones. Norma Dumont, rookie. A Brock Lesnar Blue Prizm. Heavyweight. 131 of 175. Blue Prizm, Brock Lesnar. Hyper rookie of Muhammad Mokaev.
Grab that, you're good.
I'm good. Once I'm done with this stack, I'll give it to you. Let's see what else we got here. We got a Silver Prizm of Sean Brady. We have a blue wave of Pani Kinzad. Not numbered. Blue wave of Pani, bantamweight. Fearless Chuck Liddell. A rookie of Tatsuro Taira. Martin Buday. We have a Mojo, but first we have another Hasbullah. Magomedov. And a Drakkar again. Close. Drakkar Close. Rookie. Mojo. Number 225. Nice. Low number Drakkar. 4/25. There you go, lightweight. Zachary C. Huge, as he said, huge. Amanda Rebus, Red Wave. He said huge. So there you go. Pat Sabatini, Sabotage. Damon Jackson, rookie. Chidi Kouani.
Yeah, Jeremy, we'll do it next week as well. So next Saturday, we'll have the same kind of break listed.
Imavov, rookie. Blue Prizm to 175, 17 of 175 for middleweight. A Hyper of Gilbert Burns, welterweight. Chuck Liddell, Hall Monitor. Raul Rosas Jr. rookie. Chris Curtis. A Silver Prizm of Islam Makhachev. Silver Prizm. And to 99, 1 of 99, we have a red Prizm rookie of Chidi Jokuani for middleweight. Zachary C. Nice. And what else do we have here? Rookie of Javid Basharat. Joe Piper. A red Prizm of Faber. It's going to be the number to 199. 168 of 199. Congrats. Hyper Prizm rookie of Sean Woodson for featherweight. All out. Juliana Pena. What else? Final stack here. Michael Morales rookie. Kyler Phillips rookie. Matthew Semmelsberger, rookie. A Silver Prizm of Kamaru Usman. A Red Wave of Matheus Nicolau. Rookie of David Dvorak. Mark Matson, rookie. Nathan Levy. Tony Gravely. And a purple Philip Rowe for welterweight to 149, 70 of 149. Philip Rowe. A Red Wave rookie of Bo Nickel. All Out. Evoliev. Corinne Silva rookie. Imavov. Randy Brown rookie. Jonathan Pierce rookie. A Silver Prizm rookie of Mark Matson for lightweight. A Blue Wave Alexandre Pantoja. Fearless Sterling. And a Aaron Blanchfield. All right, recap time. We had a purple Philip Rowe to 149 for welterweight. We had a red Faber to 199 bantamweight. We had a Imavov Blue Prizm rookie to 175. This was a purple rookie, by the way. A beautiful Drakkar Close Mojo to 25 rookie, 4 of 25. Blue Brock Lesnar to 175. A orange rookie of Jordan Levitt for lightweight. That's going to be to 99. A blue rookie of Pierre Rodriguez to 175. A blue Drakkar Close to 175. A purple Arnold Allen to 149. A red Derek Lewis to 199. Apparently a teal Matt Hughes welterweight to 49, 25 of 49. And finally a rookie red Chris Gutierrez to 199. Our autos were A red Chidi Giocani, rookie /99. There we go. A silver Prizm of Amanda Lemos. These are not numbered. Silver Prizm rookie auto. A UFC champion signature of Chuck Liddell. And a silver Prizm of Eveliev. So that will do it for break 558. We'll be right back with 559. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, everyone. All cards shipped, by the way.